A week after winning the election, Greg Abbott says his first trip as governor-elect was to the Rio Grande Valley, an area of Texas that's been under the immigration debate microscope for months. While Abbott had released his plan for border security, we asked him if President Obama takes executive action on amnesty, how the state could react.
If the president uses what seems to be his version of dictatorial powers to impose on Americans a law that is not passed by the United States Congress, I think any and all possible action should be taken to try to stop it, including potential legal action.
Abbott believes there are limits to what the president can do and says he expects the president to abide by those limits. He says the authority to come up with an immigration plan and pass it into law rests with Congress.
What the president needs to do is stop working in isolation, stop working antagonistically towards the members of the United States Congress, and instead join with them on crafting a plan that will fix the broken immigration system that we have in this country.
And that was Greg Abbott's take on that. Now, the nomination of Costco's can't officially take place until Greg Abbott is governor, but he did say he wanted to have some key positions in place moving forward. Reporting live from the Capitol tonight, Adam Rakusin, KITV News.
Thanks, Adam. Honoring